In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AND function in Google Sheets. Let's get started by making sure we're all on the same page. The AND function is incredibly useful in spreadsheets for determining if multiple conditions are true at the same time. It's a great way to streamline decision-making processes, track information, or even run complex tasks automatically. Now, let's dive into the steps for using this function in Google Sheets. First, you'll need to head over to Google Sheets. You can do this by opening your browser, navigating to the Google Sheets homepage, and signing into your Google account. This step is essential because you need access to your Google Workspace tools to begin working on a spreadsheet. Once you're on Google Sheets, it's time to decide what kind of spreadsheet you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new spreadsheet. You can do this by clicking on the blank option found under Start a New Spreadsheet. Alternatively, if you already have an existing spreadsheet where you'd like to use the AND function, you can simply open that file. Familiarize yourself with your data setup to better understand where you'll be applying the function. Now, it's time to fill in your necessary information. This is where you set the stage for the AND function to do its magic. Make sure your spreadsheet has the data that you want to evaluate. For instance, you might have a list of tasks along with columns for completion status, deadlines, and priority levels. Once you've set all this up, it's time to proceed with using the AND function. To apply this function, you'll start by selecting the cell where you want the result. Let's say you want to know if both a task is completed and it's marked as high priority. You would go to an empty cell where you want the answer and type in the formula. It starts with an equal sign followed by the word AND. Within the parentheses, you list the conditions you want to evaluate. For example, if you're checking cells A2 and B2, your formula would look like this: X and A2 source completed, B2 high. Once you hit enter, the function will return true if both conditions are met, or false if they aren't. Remember, the power of the AND function lies in its ability to handle multiple conditions. You can adjust and expand the formula to encompass more checks as needed, making it a versatile tool in your Google Sheets toolkit. By following these straightforward steps, you've just streamlined your data processing, ensuring efficient and accurate data handling. That's all for today's tutorial. Now, you have a reliable method to execute multi-condition checks in Google Sheets using the AND function. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this has empowered you to handle your data with more confidence and ease.